The Mercedes W212 refers to the sixth-generation E-Class model produced by Mercedes-Benz, which was in production from 2009 to 2016. It was available in various body styles, including sedan, wagon, coupe, and convertible, offering luxury, performance, and advanced features to its customers. The W212 E-Class came with a range of gasoline and diesel engine options to cater to different preferences and markets. The engine options included inline 4, V6, and V8 configurations, with various displacements and power outputs. These engines offered a blend of performance and efficiency, delivering smooth acceleration and respectable fuel economy. The W212 E-Class featured different transmission options, including a 7-speed automatic transmission and a 9-speed automatic transmission in later models. These transmissions provided seamless gear changes, contributing to the vehicle's overall smooth and refined driving experience. The W212 E-Class introduced advanced LED lighting technology for both the exterior and interior. LED headlights provided improved visibility and energy efficiency compared to traditional halogen or xenon lights. Additionally, LED lighting was utilized in the taillights and daytime running lights, offering a distinctive and modern appearance. Mercedes-Benz introduced the command infotainment system in the W212 E-Class, which incorporated various technologies, including the integration of Android-based systems. In later models, Mercedes introduced the Mercedes-Benz User Experience (MBUX) system, which featured a touchscreen interface and supported Android Auto, allowing users to seamlessly connect their Android devices to the car's infotainment system. While the W212 E-Class did not come with a carbon diffuser as a standard feature, it is a popular aftermarket modification for performance-oriented models. A carbon diffuser is typically made from lightweight carbon fiber material and is installed on the rear bumper of the vehicle. It helps improve aerodynamics by managing airflow under the car, reducing drag, and enhancing stability at higher speeds. It's worth noting that specific features and options can vary depending on the trim level and model year of the W212 E-Class. Mercedes-Benz often offers different packages and configurations to cater to various market demands and customer preferences.